Welcome to the session on how to succeed in life. Citations are from Panchatantram by Sri Vishnu Sharma. न स्वल्पस्य कृते भूरि नाशयेन्मतिमानरः एतदेवात्र पाण्डित्यं यत् स्वल्पात् भूरिरक्षणम्. This is life, and you are sure going to get the ups and downs in the life. You may be upset by small things, but you should move on. A wise man will never dwell on the petty things. He has to make a progress, he has to move on in the interest of other people. A wise man should not lament for the petty things or small things. He should care for the bigger things in the life. He should make a progress. He has to protect the bigger things and work for bigger goals in the life. This is told in the context when the merchant Vardhaman is lamenting on the injury to the bull, his favorite bull Sanjeevika. The injury to the bull happened while they were traveling in the jungle. Then the other traders in the group told Vardhaman, "Do not lament for this bull in this wild forest. We should move on as this is a wild forest and we are all in danger. By protecting this bull, we all may be at risk. Be wise and move on in the interest of others." Arakshitam tishtati daivarakshitam, surakshitam daivahatam vinashyati. Jivatyanaadhopi vane visajjitah krutaprayatnopi gruhe vinashyati. When one is blessed by the God, he will be safe whatever be the conditions. The bull Sanjeevika is left in the forest, in the wild forest, but it soon recovered from the injury and became hale and hearty. It grew big and healthy by eating the grass around, is living happily in the forest. If one is blessed by the God, he will be safe whatever be the conditions. Here the injured bull is left in the wild forest, but it's able to survive. That's because of the blessings. It became hale and hearty by living in the forest, roaming freely around. Vice versa, if one is not blessed by the divinity, he will be lost, he will be put in troubles, he will be in troubles wherever he is. That is the reason divine thinking, prayers are made mandatory in our life, so that we will be blessed by the divinity anytime. We don't know the future, what's going to happen in the next minute. Just refer to a flight accident in India. While landing, it crashed and it has got around 180 passengers including the crew. 90% of the people are saved. Is it not a miracle? After traveling 5,000 odd kilometers, while landing on the destination, the flight is torn into pieces. You can see the rubbish all around and 90% of the people survived. Is it not a miracle? Flight is flown by the pilot who has got 40 years of experience. Of course, his wisdom to empty the fuel has saved these many lives. We are humans and we have limitations. So live by morals, ethics and integrity. Only that is going to get you the divine blessings. Avyapareshu vyaparam yo narah kartumichhati स एव निधनम याति kilotpativa vanaraha. This is conveying a beautiful message to succeed in life. Do your own business or own work. Never indulge in others' work or others' task. If you try to put a finger in others' tasks, you may lose your finger even. So that is in reference to the story of a monkey trying to pull a wedge out of a wood. It was stuck with its tail in the crevice when the wedge came out, and it cried. Pulling wedge is not its job, but it pulled it and invited the trouble. Suhrdam upakara karanad dvishadamapyapakara karanat rupasansraya ishyate budair jhataram kona vibharti kevalam. When you wish to serve a person or an organization, you want to protect that company, that organization, and you will work even against the enemies of that person or the organization. Like a security guard, if he is put in protection of a famous personality, his duty is to protect, by all means, that personality. Suppose you are placed in an important position in an organization, it's your duty to protect the assets, the prestige, the name and fame of that organization, and you should never misuse the authority or the power given to you. When you are serving someone, live by morals, ethics, and by legality. But for filling stomach, you can do anything, any mean jobs as well. But when you have taken a responsible job, be responsible in fulfilling the requirements of that job. यस्मिन् जीवति जीवन्ते बहवः स्तोत्र जीवतु वयांस किं न कुर्वन्ति चंच्वा स्वदरपूरणम्. Live for others. It's an achievement when others praise your efforts, your service to the society. Just not live like birds who try to help themselves. They live for themselves. Suppose you know how to fish, then teach others how to fish, but never give fish. If you give fish, it's only for one day or maybe 2 days. But if you teach how to fish, then you are giving a lifetime skill for that person to lead a happy life. Supura syat kunadika supuro mushikanjali. Susantushta ka purusha swalpakena pitushyati. This is conveying a message that you should not be happy with what you have. When it rains, a small stream overflows. A rat is happy with small catch. Here the message we are getting is never be happy with small things. Do bigger things, do mighty things that give you the name and fame in the society. Kintena jatu jatena matur yavvanaharina arohatinaya swasya vamshagre dvacho yadha. One should live to get the name and fame for his family, for his society. Thereby he should stand like a flagpole. Otherwise, his life is useless. Thank you. Keep watching other sessions on Ancient Wisdom for success.